Bath salt is a great way to moisture and soften the skin. It soothes the mind and soul by relaxing the muscles. But bath salts are priced highly in the market and termed as luxury, which you can easily prepare at home. So let's make some rose bath salt. Salt being the main ingredient, I have chosen Himalayan pink salt, which is an Ayurvedic potent ingredient. It cleanses the skin and removes negativity. You will need a rose essential oil, rose aroma. Wow, you guys! I love roses. It has the ability to make you happy, boost a dull day, and make you awake with its fresh floral fragrance. I will leave the Amazon link in the description box. Finally, you will need some dried rose petals. This will make the water visually pleasing and appealing. A storage container. Take a mixing bowl. Add a cup of Himalayan pink salt to it. Add 20 drops of rose essential oil. Add some rose petals. Mix well. Add a spoon of the bath salt to a bucket of water and take bath. You can add it to your bathtub as well. This will make your mind relaxed, ease your body pain and removes negativity. It also lifts up your mood. Bath salt is a great way to amp up your mood for the day. Take a bath in the morning for a fresh, relaxed mind to cope up with the day. Take bath in the night to ease muscle pain, reduce stress and anxiety for a good night's sleep. Once you start using bath salts, you will never start taking bath in plain water. Rose bath salt is so soothing and the aroma is very relaxing. With just 3 simple ingredients, it is very easy to make bath salts at home. You can of course customize your bath salts, but rose one is my favorite. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is Mediti signing off. Bye bye. Take care. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.